Stop buying chicken broth from the store. Let me show you how to turn leftover chicken bones into a rich, flavorful chicken broth for basically free.
Most people throw these chicken bones away, but they are actually the secret to incredible soups. What you need is a large pot with water, then the leftover chicken bones, which normally have still quite some meat on them, which will make it very flavorful. And here's a little trick. Leave the onion skin on. It gives the broth a beautiful golden color. Cut up at least 2 carrots and 2 stalks of celery, and use some celery leaves as well, if you like. I usually also add some kale leaves to it. Either break them in half or rip them in pieces. And then I also add 2 bay leaves, because I like my broth full of flavor. Then add the lid on top and let it simmer for at least 3 hours. Remember, the longer you let it simmer, the better the flavor. If you plan on cooking it longer than 3 hours though, you might want to remove the leaves because otherwise they get mushy and hard to remove. It's done and ready to be strained. The veggies will be very soft and technically you can still eat them, but they will have hardly any flavor left because the flavor is now in the broth. This broth has a nice golden color and smells incredible. If you plan on using it within the next 2 weeks, get some mason jars and fill them up with this liquid gold. And this is what you get: rich, homemade chicken broth. Keep them in the fridge until you need them. Personally, I usually freeze mine in cubes, so I always have broth ready when I'm cooking. I use super cubes. I will have a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. This one is a 2-cup container. Has the cup measurements on one side and the milliliters on the other side. Very handy. Then, once frozen, you can store them in a freezer bag. This one here is a 1-cup container with 4 spots. I had it frozen so I can show you how this looks and works. You open the lid and pop the cubes out of their slot. Just press and out they come. A solid 1-cup cube. Now you just put them in the bag, as many as you can fit, and you are ready to use it anytime you need. It really can't get any easier than that. Make sure when you fill up the slots that you not overfill them. Liquid expands when it is frozen. Just fill to the line, wipe the top, and close with the lid. The lid is very sturdy and you can stick them in the freezer without the container caving in, so you can stack them on top of each other.
And that's it. Simple, homemade chicken broth. It's healthy, it's flavorful, and it costs almost nothing to make. And if you want to see how I turn this incredible chicken broth into chicken noodle soup, just follow the next recipe.